This is a song called 10,000 Reasons, Bless the Lord by Matt Redman and Jonas Mirren. I'm going to show you the chords and tell you the order of the chords so you can learn to play it. The first chord, we're going to go over the intro first. If you want to get pen and paper out, the notes are on the screen. It goes C, G, D suspended second over F sharp, to E minor, to C, to G, to D suspended second, to D. And slowly that order again. We're going to go C, and then G, and then D suspended second over F sharp. I'll show you that one note for note because you may not know that one in just a minute. Then E minor, and we're going to have C again, then to G. And by the way, you can use any old G. He uses this G in the recording once it gets going. Remember, the intro is just piano anyway, and then I have D suspended second, to D. And remember, the intro is piano, so you make up some finger pick thing or flat pick thing if you want. And basically, if you were to strum this, you're going to give each chord 2 beats because the song is in 4/4. So it would sound something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then he begins to sing. And as the song goes and progresses through, we're going to find our verse is that same sequence. For example, I can go, bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship his holy name. And by the way, I'm not a vocalist, at least not in the Matt Redman sense of vocalist, so we'll just kind of hum the words like that. So again, the chord sequence there as I went was C, bless the Lord, oh my soul, G, and we'd be strumming 2 beats each, D over F sharp, as opposed to the intro. The intro we did D over F, or D suspended second, that 2 there, as opposed to the D. So this is regular D over F, and D suspended second over the F. And I'll just pause for a minute and kind of teach you that chord. The D over F sharp is basically a D chord here. But you're going to finger it with these 3 fingers like this. And then you reach your first finger down here, as you see, to the 6th string. And if you notice up in the upper right hand corner of the video, I'm kind of muting this string here, the 5th string, with the side of my finger, so that now if you look in the lower left side, that string is muted. So really what we have here is this 6th string, a muted 5th string, and then of course the other 4 are going to ring because we've got fingers on them, as you see on the right hand side of the screen. You can see I've basically got the picking laid out on the left hand side and the strumming laid out on the right hand side, and I can kind of swivel and rotate to give you guys different variations of being able to see what you need to in various songs and lessons. So welcome to my channel. If you're just finding it, this is the first video I ever made for it, actually. The new channel. So anyway, here we have the verse. It's going to go like this: bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, his holy name, sing like never before. Now he does a little bit of a different E minor here the second time around. I'm using an E minor 7. It can be fingered here. We have our 3rd finger. It's basically the same as the E minor, except we have here 3rd finger. And then we have oh my soul, which is C, D, E minor 7. Then we have C twice. I worship your holy name. And then here we have a C over G. So we have this neat C over G thing here. You may not be familiar with that chord. So So I'll tell you about it here. We have two, your third and pinky are going to be here on the 3rd fret, on the 6th string and 5th string. And the rest of it's just a plain old C chord. So it would be actually like taking a C chord, like you'd know, like this, right? Up replacing this with your pinky. Move a little bit so you can see the picking, lower left-hand corner. And then we're going to add in this note. 3rd finger on the string here. And then they have that little refrain. In this chart, it's D over G, which is a piano chart. We have C over G, D over G, which is basically a D chord, except fingered like this time. Same D chord you already know. I play it with 1st finger like this and 3rd here. And this is a G note down here. So you can hit that. And then back to G. So there's our chorus. Worship your holy name. Here at the end we have C, G, C over G, and a cool D over G. And then I would resolve it to this G with the D5 over it. Kind of a neat sound. So let me go through just that much for you. We would have the intro, 2 strums each. C, G, D over F sharp, E minor, C, G, D suspended to D, and then we have our verse, or our chorus rather. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship your holy name. And I'll do it one more time, naming the chord names as we go. So we have C, G, this is just the verse, D over F sharp, E minor, C, G, D suspended, D, C, E minor 7, C, D, E minor 7, C, D, and then we have our C over G, G, C over G, D over G, G. So there we go. There's our chorus, the intro and chorus to 10,000 Reasons Bless the Lord. I'm going to do each section in a separate video, so you don't have to watch like a 10-minute video to find the part you want. So go on to the next video in the playlist. It'll be video number